Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming essentials so the assistant can work reliably. Open Settings, check Android updates, and update the Google app. Doing this prevents feature mismatches. Once done, grant microphone and any location permissions so voice detection and context work. Next, set Google or another assistant as the default under Settings App's default apps. This routes the wake command to the right service. Make sure battery optimization isn't blocking background listening, and then test with Hey Google. You now customize how the assistant recognizes and responds to you. Go into Assistant Settings and complete voice match training so the hot word works accurately. This reduces false activations. Then enable lock screen access and personal results if you want calendar and messages read aloud. Be mindful of privacy. Link accounts and smart home devices through the Services or Devices menus so commands control lights, music, and appointments. Finally, adjust language and speech rate so replies sound natural and clear. You're ready to use the assistant for everyday tasks. Speak short commands like call mom, directions to 123 Main, or set a 10-minute timer. For reliable results, phrase requests clearly and include key details. If the assistant fails to respond, make sure the microphone isn't blocked and permissions remain enabled. Verify the default assistant setting and voice match. When problems persist, restart the phone, toggle the Google app permissions, or clear its cache. This usually resolves lingering recognition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.